It's Dr. Steve, master of the subconscious mind, and doctor who fixes 100% of orthopedic issues not related to cancer, fracture, infection. And in previous videos, I went over blood pressure, and I went over how blue light and EMF steal our copper because the posterior pituitary needs the vitamin C, lowers that affects the copper iron redox reaction because it has to make more vasopressin. And now all of a sudden, or I'm sorry, steals the vitamin C so we don't make the vasopressin, and now all of a sudden we want to high blood pressure. So by wearing blue light blocking glasses or reducing blue light exposure, getting more sunlight, we can actually lower our blood pressure. But not only that, other factors are involved in that with nitric oxide. And people don't realize this, but the mouthwash that you're using can actually create high blood pressure because the nitrates that are in your food convert to nitrites. And your body can't do that if you get rid of the beneficial bacteria. Mouthwash kills too much bacteria. Washing your hands too often, too frequently, kills off bacteria that affects the immune system. But in the mouth, when you get rid of all of the bacteria and you have a total sterile environment, what happens is you don't convert the nitrates from your food to nitrites. We get nitrates not just from the chemical, meats that are processed meats, but we also get them from green leafy vegetables. So they're in there too. And so they need to convert into nitrites. And if that doesn't happen, it affects nitric oxide production. Nitric oxide relaxes the endothelial tissue in your arteries. Now all of a sudden you wind up with high blood pressure because you are using mouthwash. And 2/3 of the people using mouthwash are actually inadvertently cause themselves high blood pressure, and they don't understand why. You need to go back to a natural lifestyle, getting sunlight, eating organ meats, the things that nature intended us to do, right? We need to be grounded. We need to dump our excess electrons. So stop using all the Purell to clean your hands. You have a natural immune system that's there in place. And when things are off, it's a warning sign that you're getting away from what is actually natural to the environment, what's actually going to be beneficial for your health. So, you can reach out to me. I'm happy to help you when we go through lab work. I can pinpoint exactly what's going on. But the bottom line is there's so many things that modern society has done. If you just go back to what we used to do prehistorically, there were in prehistoric times, there was cholera and communicable diseases that would take people out. And we have antibiotics and different things of that nature to help us. But for the most part, modern society, with the EMFs, lack of sunlight, the blue light, incandescent lights that are inside, is taking us out of our environment and is putting us in a place of energetic frequency that's creating illness. So, it's multiple factors, but simple case in point, your mouthwash could be the reason for why you have high blood pressure.